The heavy rain season is here, which means you want to make sure your sump pump is in good working order. A sump pump removes water that might enter your home through the foundation. Just a little water can cause thousands of dollars in damage, so it's important to make sure your sump pump is ready for everything Mother Nature can throw at it. Here's all you do. First, make sure your sump pump is plugged in. Now test your pump by lifting the float. If the pump comes on, chances are you'll be okay. If there's water in the basket, it should empty. If the motor doesn't come on, you may have a problem and a wet basement. Here's a great option to consider: a sump pump with a battery backup. This way, if the power goes out during heavy storms, the sump pump will keep running. If you want us to inspect or repair or replace your sump pump, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.